So in this video, I've put together 5 questions for you to have a go at. No calculator allowed. So pause the video, have a go, see if you can work out what each of these are, and then press play when you are ready to check your answers. Okay, let's crack on then. So the first one is 3 to the power of 5. So 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Now I would suggest you breaking this up. So here we've got 3 times 3 times 3. So 3 cubed, and that's 27. 3 squared, 3 times 3 is 9. So I can work out our answer by multiplying 27 by 9. So 7 times 9 is 63, 3 and the 6. 2 times 9 is 18, add the 6 is 243, or 24. So our result is 243. So that is the answer to number 1. Right, then we have 2 to the power of 6. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So what we have here is 2 cubed, which is equal to 8. And here we've got 2 cubed, which is equal to 8. And so it's the same as 8 times 8, which is 64. Number 3 is 5 to the power of 6. So 5 times 5 times 5, times by 5, times by 5, times by 5. Now 5 cubed is 125. And we've got 5 cubed again. So in this case, I need to multiply 125 by 125. Now I'm going to use long multiplication to do that. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 2 is 10, plus the 2 is 12. 5 times 1 plus the 1 is 6. Bringing a 0 for the next, for 10, the tens column. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 2 is 4, plus the 1 is 5. 2 times 1 is 2. Right, now we go into the hundreds, so bring in 2 zeros. 1 times 5, 1 times 2, 1 times 1. Add those 3 together, so 5, 2, 16, 2 plus 2 plus 1 is 5, and the 1. And so we get 15,625. So that's the answer to number 3. Okay, number 4. 4 to the power of 5. So 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. Now, 4 times 4 times 4 is 64. And 4 times 4 is 16. So we need to multiply 64 by 16. 6 times 4 is 24. 6 sixes are 36, plus the 2 is 38. Bring in a 0. 1 times 4, 1 times 6. Add your 2 results together. 4, 12, 3, 6, and 1 is 10. And so our answer is 1,024. Okay. Okay, so our last one is 2 to the power of 10. Okay, so 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so we have 2 cubed, which is equal to 8. We have 2 cubed, which is 8. We have 2 cubed, which is 8. And we've still got the times by 2 on the end. Okay. Now, the 8 times 8, that is 64. 8 times 2, that is 16. So we've got 64 times 16. Now this feels a little bit familiar. 6 times 4 is 24. 6 sixes are 36, plus the 2 is 38. Bring in the 0. 1 times 4, 1 times 6. So we have 4, 12, 3 plus 6 plus 1 is 10. And so the answer is 1024. Now, you might be going, looking at this going, well, could there have been an easier way of doing this? Could we have spotted that that was the case? Well, if we go back to our 2 to the power of 10, that's 4, that's 4, that's 4, that's 4, and that's 4, which is 4 to the power of 5. So exactly the same result as we had before. Okay? There are other ways of looking at it using indices as well to spot that they're the same. But I'll leave that connection like that because it links in with what we're doing now.